Lovely Public Senior Secondary School believes in working with vigor, versatility, and vibrance, and in providing a sound knowledge to its students. It is due to the pioneering efforts of stalwarts like Dr. R.P. Malik, founder chairman, Lovely Group, and Dr. Mrs. S.D. Malik, the director principal of Lovely Group, that the school is reaching the pinnacle of success year after year. The school has an exemplary transport facility with buses plying in all areas of East Delhi and NCR. The school has been conferred with ISO certification, and also it has ventured into a new arena by joining hands with the British Council and bagging the International School Award 2014 to 2017. The school is a member of a body called Federation of Public Schools, which rewards teachers for their exemplary services in the field of education. Our teachers have received the coveted award and have been acknowledged for their contribution. The school has an excellent security surveillance system in the premises to prevent any untoward incidents and trespassing, if any. The school maintains an effective and efficient ERP system from where parents are given important messages and information on a regular basis. The school has set up a fully equipped studio with the latest sound system, acoustics, videography, etc. to facilitate both academic and cultural activities. To comply with the regulations of the government, a lift has been installed to facilitate physically handicapped and unwell students. To make the school system accessible, the reception acts as a vital link between the visitors and the school. Each morning starts enthusiastically with the students reaching the school ground for morning assembly, wherein they recite different prayers according to the day or the religious occasion. It is scientifically proven that visuals leave a long-lasting impression on human brain. Understanding this, the school has adopted smart board methodology to help in clearing concepts effectively, along with the traditional teacher-student teaching system in well-ventilated and spacious classrooms. The computer lab is well equipped to train the students to meet challenges of progressive and informative technology. The school has all facilities for computer science as a subject in senior classes. Latest changes are being introduced from time to time to provide up-to-date knowledge to the students. Keeping in mind the scientific temper of the students as well as academic requirements, modern and equipped science labs for physics, chemistry, and biology have been set up in the school. They have facilities for experiments and demonstrations of various concepts of science through models, equipment, and other educational aids. Human mind has the ability to create magic, and a Mind Power Lab helps in unlocking the power of our mind. Mind Power Lab helps to eradicate negative thoughts. It triggers the neurons of the mind in numerous ways and activates the hidden abilities. Robotics, adding a new dimension to the technological know-how. Robotic science has been introduced. You can see the students experimenting and understanding the science of robotics. The school library is well equipped with a good collection of encyclopedias, reference books, fiction books, and is being constantly nurtured by new arrivals and new editions. The school has introduced e-library, where online reading and downloading of books can be done. The school offers the opportunity to the students to deal with the ability to visualize. It nurtures the hidden talent of the students through art and craft classes. They are taught activities like cutting, pasting, drawing, paper folding, clay modeling, etc. They are also encouraged to participate in the best out-of-base activities. Musical clubs involve all forms of dramatics, playing instruments, singing, etc. Students can enhance their creativity in making new compositions. They gain strong personality traits and confidence to face the world by participating in activities like nukkad nataks or street plays, musical ballets, etc. The students are given an opportunity to showcase their talent and further enhance their confidence through participation in annual functions and various other festivals like Janmashtami, Ganesh Utsav, Diwali, and national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day. Functions are celebrated in the school with great fervor and enthusiasm. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy, and so physical activities are an integral part of the LPS curriculum. As you can see, the tiny tots are involved in celebration of events like this Mango Festival, which is being celebrated here. This helps to enhance their knowledge about seasonal fruits. From the pre-primary level, the students are introduced to playing in the sand, balancing, crawling through a tunnel, playing, etc. to improve their kinesthetic intelligence. As they reach the higher classes, they get an opportunity to learn games and sports like volleyball, basketball, cricket, badminton, table tennis, skating, swimming, etc. The school boasts of state and national level players and also of international standard courts, cricket academy and swimming pools. The school has hosted CBSE basketball and volleyball clusters and also inter-school matches for various sports. Yoga and pranayam rejuvenate the energy and refresh the body and soul. The school gives regular pranayam training to all the students for good concentration power and memory. Training in judo karate, concentration exercises, etc. gives an opportunity to learn self-defense and ways to pursue a target. This helps in empowering the girls and teaching the students to be goal-oriented. The training of judo karate prepares the children to face the threats of the outer world. The Environment Club provides naturalistic intelligence of a child so that he develops a strong sensitivity to the outer world of nature. Rallies are organized to create awareness on clean and green environment. The school is a strong believer in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign. The workshops and seminars are an integral part of school curriculum for which the school has a well-equipped and spacious conference room and an auditorium. Various workshops and seminars are conducted from time to time to enlighten the students about various topics. Eminent resource persons are invited from prestigious institutions and organizations to update their knowledge and develop better understanding of the self. Practice what you preach is what is believed in Lovely Public School. Hence, the management members and the teachers keep performing various plays, dance dramas, and take seminars to upgrade and energize themselves constantly, thus motivating the students. The School Students' Council is constituted to motivate the participation of students and develop a sense of leadership and responsibility. A strong student council is selected through an investiture ceremony. The entire school is divided into 4 houses: achievers, winners, succeeders, and victors. The students have been grouped in these houses which inspires them to remain motivated and fight their way to reach their goals. To make our children cope with the changing global trends, we support our students' educational journey by fostering their development of growing mindsets, rather than believing that talent or intelligence is fixed. All students can develop skills like perseverance, resourcefulness, responsibility, and empathy, which would lay a strong foundation and help in all spheres of life. We foster in our children certain intellectual habits, attitude of mind, and a right view of life. These are the chief equipment which we need for our voyage round the world. No child is a loser. No child is a champion. But if you want to stand out of the crowd, you ought to be unique. Belief is power. So believe strongly, mightily, and act cheerfully. So the school believes that our treasure lies in the beehive of our knowledge. Hence, the school motto is, education is a real treasure.